and they used to go around somebody's neck, and now there's not a neck to go around. It really puts it into perspective of what that war cost the American people.
And for one woman, finding a dog tag of her brother, Charles Seeger Jr., it was a miracle.
Well, all of the tags were there except the S's. Well, as it turned out, the S's was over to the side, and two men, they were going through the S's. I think they were straightening up the chains on them. And so they asked me for my brother's name, and they began looking for his name. And as they flipped through, I grabbed a handful of the tags myself. And as I opened my hand, my brother's name was sitting on top. It felt miraculous. I honestly felt like the hand of God that worked, because out of all of these tags, I picked up a handful of tags and looked down, and my brother's name was on top. It was miraculous.
And to her, holding that tag in her hand was the closure she needed.
It makes me feel like now I know that my brother's home. He's home. I know that he's home.
And to so many veterans, the celebration of their sacrifice is the warm reception they didn't have when they came home from Vietnam.
When I first got home,